Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing well. I am Miss Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, earlier we have discussed about units of measurement and today we will discuss about addition and subtraction in measurement. But before that, I will make you revise units of measurement. Students, you can see here, these are units of mass or weight. First is kilogram, next is hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and last is milligram. And you know very well that kilogram is the largest unit of mass and gram is the basic unit and milligram is the smallest unit of mass. And next is these are the units of length. First is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. And in this also beta, meter is the basic unit, okay, and kilometer is the largest unit of length and millimeter is the smallest unit of length. And these are the units of capacity, okay. First is kiloliter, then hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and last is milliliter. And you know, liter is the basic unit of capacity and kiloliter is the largest unit and milliliter is the smallest unit, okay. Now let us start our today's topic. Students, today we will discuss about addition and subtraction in measurement. Now let us take one example to understand it. Here I have written 75 kilograms, 29 grams and 72 kilograms and 116 grams and we have to add these, okay. Now beta, here you can see we have two units, kilogram and gram, and here also we have two units, kilogram and gram. So first of all we have to write these units upper side, okay. At the top we have to write kilogram and gram and now we have to arrange these numbers according to column. So first of all we have to write 75 downside of kilogram, okay. And now we have to write 29 gram, 29 in this column. But beta, here we have only two digits, okay. But in this column we should have three digits. Why? Because you can see here also, here we have kilogram and here we have gram, okay. After kilogram we have three units, okay. So after this column, okay, in this column we should have three digits, one digit for hectogram, one for decagram and one for gram, okay. So here we need to write three digits but here we have only two digits. So how can we write this? Like this, 290. 290 means 290 grams. But we need to write only 29 beta. So it's wrong. So how can we write 29? Here we need to write three digits. But we write 29. So how can we write? We have to write 9 here. Okay. Then 2 and then we write 0. Okay, then we have to write 0. Now we can read it only 29. Okay, if we have 7, then we can write this 007. If we have 6, only 6 grams. Okay, and we need to write here. Then we need to write 00 means we can write 600. Okay, 006 means 6 grams. So we have to start writing from right side. 9 here, then 2, then 0. Okay. Now let us write next. 72 kilograms. Right here 116 grams. So here already we have 3 digits. So we can write easily here 6, here 1 and here 1. Okay. And now we have to add. Beta, we have to add these numbers like decimals. Decimals. And we have already discussed about addition of decimals. You can see here when we add 15.313 and 41.808, then we get 57.121. Okay, we always start adding from right side. So here also we have to start adding from right side. 9 and 6 will give us 15. 1 will be carry. 1 and 2, 3. 3 and 1, 4. Here only 1. Now we have to add this column. After this we have to add this. 5 and 2, 7. 7 and 7, 14. Okay. So when we add 75 kilograms, 29 grams and 72 kilograms, 116 grams, then we get 147 kilograms and 145 grams. You can write like this also. 147 kilograms and 145 grams. Now students, let us see another method to add these. Okay. In first method, first of all we have to write these units upper side and then arrange these numbers according column and then add. Okay. But in second method, we have to write these as decimals. Okay. And with these beta, we have to write greater unit. Here we have kilogram, here gram. So here after converting decimal, we have to write with these greater unit. Okay. Not gram. We have to write here kilogram. Now beta, let us see how can we convert these into decimals. Here we have 75 kilogram and 29 grams. Okay. So here 75. First of all we have to write 75. After 75 means after kilogram we have to put decimal point. Okay. And you know after kilogram we have 3 units. Okay. Kilogram to gram. Here we have 3 units. So here we need to write 3 digits. Okay. But here we have only 2 digits. So how can we write 29 here? Here we have to write here 9, then 2, then 0. Okay. Like this we have to write 3 digits. Okay. 0 to 9. Because if we write here 2, here 9, here 0. Okay, like this. 2, 9, 0. Then it will be wrong beta. Okay. So we have to write 75.029. If we have here 75 kilograms, only 5 grams. Okay. Then how can we write here 75 point? After the point 75 point, here 0, then again one more 0 and then 5. Okay. If we have here only 5 grams, then we have to write this like this. 75.005 kilogram. And here we have 29 grams. So we have to write 75.029 kilograms. Okay. And how can we write this into decimals? 72 kilograms. So 72 After that we have to put decimal point, and then we have to write this 116. So here we have already 3 digits, so no need to put any zero. Here we have to write 72.116 kilograms. Okay, and you can understand this relation by using this also beta. Okay, 75 kilogram 29 gram can be written as 75.029 kilogram. Okay, here I have written this. But why beta? Let us see. If we convert this into grams, then we need to convert kilograms into we need to multiply kilograms with 1000. Here we have 75 kilograms. So to convert into grams, we need to multiply this 75 with 1000, because we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So when we multiply 75 with 1000, we get 75,000 grams. And here we have 29 grams also. So we need to add this also. And when we add, then we get 75,029 grams. And if we convert this beta into grams, then also we need to multiply this with 1000. Okay, here we have these kilograms and these grams. So here यहाँ हमने किसको मल्टीप्लाई अप्लाई किया, ओनली 75 को. ओके, और 29 को डायरेक्टली क्या किया है, ऐड, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑलरेडी इन ग्राम्स, बट हियर all in kilograms. Here 75.029 kilograms. Okay, so here we need to multiply this complete decimal number with 1000. Okay, so when we multiply this number with 1000, we get 75,029.000. But why beta? Because when we multiply any decimal number with 1000, then we shift the decimal point. We shift the decimal point 3 digits to the right side. Okay, and first we need to multiply this number with 1000. Okay, so we need to forget this decimal point. 75,029 we have to write as it is, then multiply 1000 and we get this, and after that we need to put this decimal point after this 9. Okay, like this, and we know there is no value of zeros after this decimal point, so we can write this only like this also. Okay, and बेटा यहाँ मैंने जो मल्टीप्लाई करके दिखाई आपको वो हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. ठीक है, here you can see multiplying decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, if you multiply 14.754 with 1000, then we get 14,754 as an answer, because when we multiply any decimal number with 1000, then we shift the decimal point 3 digits to the right side. Okay, if we multiply with 10, then we shift the decimal point only. So students, we can write 75 kilogram 29 grams like 75.029 kilogram, because by both we will get the same answer. Okay, now we need to add this and this. Okay, and we have to add these like decimal numbers. We have to start from right side. Okay, we have to start adding from right side always. Okay, first of all we have to add 9 and 6. When we add 9 and 6, we get 15 and 1 will be carry. Now 1 and 2 3, 3 and 1 4. Okay, now we have to add 0 and 1, and 0 plus 1 will give us only 1. Now we have decimal point, so in answer also we have put the decimal point. Okay, now we have to add 5 and 2, and 5 and 2 will be 7. 7 and 7 will be 14. Okay, so our answer will be 147.145 kilogram. Okay, or we can say 147 kilograms, 145 grams. Okay, by first method we get this answer 147 kilogram, 145 grams, and by second method we get this answer 147.145 kilograms, and we know both are same. We can write this like this also.